Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at a new feature from the Boyum Cloud. It's called Produce, and it's a way of capturing real-time data, material, and labor from the shop floor. It's really a pretty neat product. So to get things started, what we're going to do is we're going to jump into production. And in here, we're going to create a production order with these Hep C virus tests. I need 10 of these to be produced. And we're going to go ahead and update, and we want to start our production order today. So what I've got now is I have a work order or a production order that's basically made up of 3 routing stages. Picking, we're going to package, and then we're going to QC and inspect it. And then I have a bunch of items, a bunch of inventory items that come in during picking, another item that comes in during packaging. And these materials are all manually issued with the exception of my box. My box is backflushed. And then we have some resource or some labor stages so I can capture my labor for picking, packing, and QC. So this is what our production order looks like. Let's go ahead and add it. Now, normal process is, normal best business practices that once you've got a production order that's in a planned status, you're going to want to schedule it. So if I look at my standard SAP Business One production schedule, this shows me all the work orders that I have planned, what's my available capacity, and then of course what's currently released and out there on the floor. And so what I can do from here is I can go ahead and I can grab that work order that I want to release and just check the box here and change this to a released production order. I'm sorry, or change it from planned to released or released to planned, whatever you want to do. Here we go. Let's go back to our plan. Here's the one for 10. So we can go ahead and change this to release. We can actually release it from here, or we can also drill down into the work order and we can simply release it from here as well. So there's a couple of ways to view your production, what's out there in the floor now, what's planned to go out into the floor, and then what's the capacity of the different resources out there on the floor. So we'll go ahead and close that. So we've got our production order. It's scheduled to be released today. This one here, it's in a release status, so we're all good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to jump into the shop floor data collection. And again, this is called the Boyum Produce. And so I'm going to scan in my employee card here and select next. And when I do that, it gives me a list of all of the